Hey y'all, Dr. Shruti Tannan. I'm a plastic surgeon, and today's going to be a longer video. I've gotten this question a lot since we've been putting a lot out on social media about the non-invasive devices, where people are trying to understand how does that fit into caring for themselves and helping themselves move through the world in the way that they wish to be. So let's kind of break it down. There are, more excisional procedures that I do. So the bigger the procedure, the more impactful, the bigger the result. Like a tummy tuck obviously addresses skin removal and tightens muscle. But what if you don't quite want a tummy tuck recovery of the scar? What other options do you have to kind of help rejuvenate your belly? So using that example, we could do, so one step down from that in terms of invasiveness would be BodyTite. BodyTite is something that's going to help us with liposuction as an adjunct to remove fat and tighten skin through radiofrequency. Now, it won't get as tight as it would if I cut out like that much skin, but it's going to make a pretty big difference compared to just liposuction alone. So it really helps me get extra skin tightening after we remove some of that fat. One step down from that is something that's microinvasive or microneedling, where we use the Morpheus 8, the gold-plated needles with a bipolar radiofrequency delivery of heat energy. That radiofrequency will help with fat reduction as well as collagen production, stimulating new collagen production. So that's one step down from the BodyTite, two steps down from like what you can expect with a tummy tuck. Now, there's not very much downtime with that. You can go right back to work. However, it's something where we're not going to want you to be like out in the sun that weekend or that next week. So what's one step down from that? That would be our devices like the Evolve, Tite, Tone, and Transform. What's the difference? Well, it's pretty simple. Tite helps with its delivery of radiofrequency energy, the same sort of technology in BodyTite and Morpheus 8. In the Evolve Tite, it's in these little external paddles. We don't make any incisions. There's no needles going in. It's just a little paddle that sits on your skin. And over a 30-minute treatment will deliver that radiofrequency energy to, over time, with multiple successive treatments, like at least 6 or 8 treatments, get some removal of fat and tightening of skin. There is another treatment on that platform that has electromagnetic energy, with much like a TENS unit, but way stronger, like the equivalent of doing hundreds of thousands of sit-ups. That's the Evolve Tone. And then Transform includes both the tightening and the toning in one device. Follow us for more tips. I recommend you see a plastic surgeon who does all the things so they can recommend things that are less invasive, so that not everyone is getting cut on, for example.